Now, gates open, they're up and racing. We have Fontana de Trevi draws 4-year lead, running by the rail, Subterranean. Then comes Spanish Drum Sabor de Champagne is already outside, running by the rail. He's Fiery Bull, while Dazzling Cat is the early trailer. Past the last 900, it's still Spanish Drums takes the lead, running in second. Fontana de Trevi, Subterraneans down in third. Then comes Sabor de Champagne, then comes Fiery Bull, and Dazzling Cat is still running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, Spanish Drums, this time by about 3 lengths. Fontana de Trevi still in second. Subterranean and Sabor de Champagne's by the rail. Then comes Fiery Bull, and Dazzling Cat is still in behind them as they swing for home. Joseph Saulog Pares still in front with Spanish Drums running on the outside second. Moving up is Fontana de Trevi, then running by the rail is Fiery Bull. In between runners Sabor de Champagne and Subterranean. With the last 100 meters more to run is Spanish Drums, far too good, winning this race by about 3 over Fiery Bull. Coming in third, Fontana de Trevi, Subterranean, Sabor de Champagne.